Hi, this is Sichen Chen. In this last video, I would like to teach you a classic Tai Chi movement called cloud hand, or sometimes the wave hand. It is done in slightly different ways in different Tai Chi styles, but they all involve the common theme of transferring from one side to the other while rotating the arms in circular motions. This movement resembles the movement of cloud or the river, which is why it is named the cloud hand and the wave hand movement. Did you notice that the arms are not entirely flat in this posture? They are slightly curved because it is also a defense pose in Tai Chi that projects outward in case someone tries to attack you. We'll go over more details in the instruction session. Welcome back. Let's start with our stationary position, feet facing forward and double the shoulder width apart. Before we start, try to focus on your center of gravity and take a long, deep breath. The second step is to lift both arms to your chest, place the body weight to the right leg, your palm of upper hand facing down while the other palm facing up, just like you are holding a balloon. The third step is to turn your waist horizontally to the right while keeping the pelvis and knees in line with the feet. Your hands and arms move naturally as you rotate. When you can rotate no more, this means you are near the terminus of the turn and you can roll the hands 100 degrees by raising your left arm to the position over right and right elbow dropping down. The next step is to turn the weight horizontally to the left, and when you reach the terminus of the turn, then do the arm roll. Notice how your thighs and waist rotate throughout the process. This is consistent with what we have taught in the last video. Find your center of gravity, find your balance, and then just naturally rotate your waist without any movement of your upper body. When you reach the end, right arm rolls to the top, left elbow dropping down. Remember, the palms are always facing toward each other and stay equidistant throughout the movement. At the same time, pay more attention to your waist because your chest and upper body do not engage in the rotation. Meanwhile, if you find it difficult to remember the palm's position, try to imagine you are holding a piece of soft and tender cloud in your hands. You are carrying the cloud as you rotate your waist, but you are not pressing the cloud, nor are you releasing it. You just carry the cloud from one side to the other. And when you reach the terminus of the turn, just rotate both hands and repeat the process again. Did you find this cloud hand movement very elegant and gentle? I hope you like this movement as I do. If you want to challenge yourself, you can start from the other side, which is my left side in this video. Left arm facing down, right palm facing up. Remember, left side is where you place your body weight on, so the left arm is the one on top before you start. We'll do the process again. Shift the body weight from left to right. Roll your arms and shift it back to the left side, to the right side, to the left, and to the right. Try to feel that your waist is leading both arms, not the opposite. When you turn, your arms just follow how your body moves from one side to the other. I will break down the steps of cloud hand movement. First, do some waist rotation. The cloud hand movement is essentially based on your waist rotation as you shift body weight from one leg to the other. Second, I want you to practice the body weight shifting again. This movement is combined with your waist rotation. Therefore, you may need to pay more attention to these two fundamental steps. Third, notice how the waist rotation is coordinated with your body shifting and balancing. When you turn, you are not only turning your thighs and waist, but also transferring the center of gravity as you move from one side to the other. When you feel comfortable, you may then add the hand gestures as you rotate. Remember, the lower body rotation is much important than your arm movements. Remember, The claw hand movement emphasizes more on maintaining your balance while weight shifting and waist rotating. The real lesson of claw hands is to turn the waist. I find that it's a common mistake for beginning students to not turn the waist enough in Tai Chi. Meanwhile, try to keep your whole motions fluid as possible. Think about the connections among your hands, body, and your breathing. In the end, I would like to give many thanks to the students and teachers at Robeson School and Sayre High School. I will also give acknowledgement to Mr. Jared and Mr. Eric for the helps in this project. Hope you enjoyed this video series and thanks for watching.